Semolina. Semolina is very, very fine ground corn, and I'm making for you today a polenta. There's various kinds of polenta. There's soft polenta, there's hard polenta, there's grilled, there's pan-fried, there's all different kinds of polenta. Won't get into all the details, but I want to show you the semolina. So the first thing you're going to need is semolina ground very fine. You're going to need some chicken stock, and then you're going to need other ingredients. Today I'm going to put like shallots and blue cheese. And okay, I've got a hot pan here. First ingredient, chicken stock. Chicken stock goes in and you let it come to a boil. 1 clove of minced garlic, a little bit of olive oil, simmer, and I'm going to start adding my semolina. A little at a time. Okay, a little while later, if it's too thick, you can add a little bit more stock or even water, just a touch. Loosen it up a little like this. Okay, that's about the consistency I'm looking for on my polenta. At this point, I'm going to be adding some blue cheese, not ordinary blue cheese. This is cave aged special blue cheese. And I'm going to put maybe couple tablespoons of blue cheese in there. Okay. Fresh basil. Nice. The finished polenta, you can serve it a variety of ways. I'm going to just put a little bit in this dish and show you one of them. So this is soft polenta served as a side dish in a really upscale restaurant, I presume. Wow, that's looking good. You could also go a little fancier and go a little bit of chopped basil like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Extra thick maple edge grain. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.